This is not a test. This is your emergency alert system. Please pay attention to this message. At 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, has declared a state of war against the Russian Federation. This unprecedented decision comes from following confirmed intelligence reports from Estonia that nuclear weapons are being produced in Novgorod, Russia, and transported to Havana, Cuba. NATO surveillance has detected multiple missile sites within the Cuban capital capable of launching a nuclear strike. This development has escalated tensions to critical levels, bringing the world to the brink of a potential third world war. All citizens are advised to remain calm and prepare for possible emergency measures. Follow the instructions of local authorities and stay tuned to the station for further updates. Repeat, this is not a test. NATO has declared a state of war against Russia due to a presence of nuclear weapons in Havana, Cuba. Remain indoors, secure in your homes, and await further instructions. We will continue to provide updates as more information becomes available. Until then, good luck, and may God bless you all.